Ano man ado?
Takes too much time and effort.
For those who are aspiring to be a triathlete, this video is for you. Stay tuned, baby. Oh, si Dudong ditakto si Dudong. Mutira si Dudong. Hala, hala, di ko mabilis Dudong. Putak ko. Hala, hala. Patay na gid yan. Proud siya, oh. Right, as usual, King jumped on me without me knowing that we're gonna race to the arc, so he won again. At our favorite place, Abogo. Padung pa kita lang oy. Our favorite place, our favorite training ground, Mr. Hermit's Cove. Let's go, baby. Uy, maayong buntag sa atong mga attendants diri sa Hermit's Cove. Hi ma'am, good morning.
Hi, may buntag sir, Juji.
Kasi nga na to, ma'am, may buntag. Good morning.
Hi sir.
It's been a while. Let's go! Karon pa sita ko kalaag balik sa kong bike. Hi, Hermit's Cove, Mr. Hermit's. Let's go, baby. Hi. Alright, for this video, I'd like to tell you my story about my journey towards becoming a triathlete. And of course, for those who are aspiring to be a triathlete, this video is for you. Stay tuned, baby. My journey started on a normal evening on March 21. Lloyd and I were chatting, and he said that he already registered for Cebu 70.3. And at that time, I don't know what came to me, but I thought that he was registering for individual, but later on I realized that he was just registering for a relay after I registered for an individual event. Debil Lloyd Debil. So yeah, you heard it right. I just registered because I had a feeling. Even King didn't even really mention registering for 73 Cebu, cause you know it was a big boss. As an athlete, I was just building my base fitness for over 1.5 years purely in cycling, so that was it. So basically I was forced to train for triathlon. So in my first 2 weeks I just swam in our subdivisions pool, a 20-meter pool. Luckily we have one, so I just swam there without form, without technique, you know, just surviving from end to end of the pool. About my running, I just ran 2K or 3K per day, but I had a problem when I started because I cannot run 2 consecutive days, because after I run my knee will act up, and I need to rest it for a day. So after 2 weeks of consistently run, rest, it went away. I haven't been running for maybe 6 years, and the last 6 years that I run was not running. really it's jogging. So that was it. My swim and run after 2 weeks. I know I need some help, especially in swimming. The worst thing to do if you want to learn swimming and you don't have a coach. So after 2 weeks of just swimming and just jogging, some structure came in after King gave me workouts, drills, and how-tos. Let's go, baby. Do apa kakamigi na nga. Ikutas na mga. Ready. So I can tell you the details of workouts he's giving me, cause you know it was 4 months ago. So you can chat him if you like, but side note, he won't accept learn to swim coaching, cause I don't know. Ano man ado?
Takes too much time and effort. You need a lot of focus, so better enroll to a swim instructor first before getting a swim coach, so that you will be taught with the proper fundamentals of swimming, so that by the time you get a coach, he gives you some workouts and drills. You already know the lingo of how to do the workout.
There you go. So first month of my triathlon training, I tried my best time for 10K. I timed 60 minutes. And the first month of my swim, I was very doubtful. Even my swim splits in the pool are improving weekly. I still say to King that I won't survive the 1.5 2 kilometer swim. I don't know why. I promise you, especially when you're a beginner, that fear will be longing. My first continuous swim for 1.5K was only in Bohol. Bohol 5150. Kinumdum ka, King?
Yes, I know.
How I did it was, I really focused on technique and form. The physical demand of triathlon is hard, but the hardest part of the sport is time management. Especially me, it's not that I'm giving reasons to you right now, but it's true. I am a father of a newborn, I have work, I have a wife. Fortunately, my work is flexible. For example, if I am done at 1 p.m, I go home and train. But there were times that my work ended 6 p.m, drive home, and I started my long run 7 p.m. I ended my long run 9 p.m-ish. Especially when you don't have the luxury to sacrifice your work or anything. You know, it's a sport, it's an exercise, so I can't really sacrifice my work. So I just have to find time. I just have to dig deep and make it work. And all that thanks to my beautiful wife. Let's go. Let's go. She's the one who has to sacrifice more, maybe more than me, cause I go home, I train, lie down, in 5 seconds I snooze, so it's what it is. Regarding my weight, before I trained I weighed 70 kilograms, and now I'm still 70 kilograms because Christian told me not to lose weight because I would lose a lot of power in the bike. In 4 months I can't expect my running to improve that far, so it's best not to lose weight. But ideally, if you can lose weight without losing power on the bike, then your run will thank you, because you will carry less weight, less muscle, less oxygen to feed, so you will be more efficient in running. Speaking of running, in 4 months my 10K time trial was 60 minutes and now it was 48 minutes. So for me it's really big improvement. And my swimming 4 months ago was 2 minutes 30 seconds per 100, and now I think I can do 1 minute 55 seconds per 100. Also a big improvement. I really think the base fitness that I built through cycling was the main factor why I improved this much. So for aspiring triathletes out there, my advice is just to start anywhere. If you want cycling, either running or swimming, just start. That's the really important one. Just start. Build your base fitness, and if you think you're ready to mash the 3 disciplines, then go for it. Register first. That's really important because you know you'll be forced to train even if you're tired, even if you're busy. If you registered, you'll be forced to train no matter what. Get a coach, of course. Get a coach, get a coach, get a coach. Just stay dedicated, do the hard work, and enjoy the journey. Let's go! See you on races, baby! Yan, ilang kumundugay. Salamat sa mga nanaw, sa mga matang kapasunod. Gula, peace out. Peace!